Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mansa. I know it's been a long time since I've posted on here, but y'all, it is fall. It is officially fall on the calendar. So I am coming today with my fall decor video. It's a minimal home decor video that I believe, even if you're not into decoration and all of that, and you just want to get into the hang of things, you can actually implement a lot of these things. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to combine everything into one video. I'm going to be doing something really small in my kitchen, something in my dining, as you can see in the background. And I also want to, jazz up the living room a little bit. And my husband also switched out the plants outside to get them ready for the new season, aka fall. I am wearing this beautiful brown outfit. It's a two-piece set from Target. Yay. It is so fall ready. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can easily slap like a leather jacket on it with some heels or some boots, and you'll be all cute and ready to go. So yeah, without making this intro too long, let's get right into decorating. Okay, you guys, so let's start off with the outdoor. So hubby just bought these mums. They look so good. And I'm glad he went for these colors. They are so nice. You got the yellows, you got the burgundies, you got the orange, and it just looks so beautiful. This is what we had in the front, and they grew so wild, yo. They grew so big, but they were so beautiful. But now they have to go because the season is over, and this is what he did outside, y'all. I always give it up to him. I don't do outside, but he always does a good job. So this is real teamwork over here. They look so good, and I was absolutely happy with them. Yeah, so let me know, what do you guys do for your outdoors for fall? And he did also pick up a wreath for me. I told him I didn't have a wreath because I was like, hey, all the neighbors have wreaths except me. And he also got that clear wreath hanger. I think these were from Menards or Lowe's, one of them hardware stores. But yeah, that was what he did outside, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now let's go on inside. We're just gonna start off with the kitchen. So this is what I did in the kitchen. Very minimal, but so beautiful. We use our island most of the time to eat dinner, me and my husband. So I just kept it very simple. I just had the charger plates, the table mat, which is so beautiful. I'm going to show you up close when I do the dining, and just some dinner plates and a napkin. So gorgeous. It is so cute. And of course, I got a little something on the centerpiece. And I just like to keep it practical because, like I said, we use the space a lot. This is my candle of choice, sweater weather. I still had it in my stack. I have not bought anything for this year yet as far as candles. And this is from Bath and Body Works. And I just put it on the Bath and Body Works candle holder that I also have had forever, and it smells absolutely fall and just gorgeous. So yeah, this space, I like it to be clutter free because of course we're gonna have all our clutter all day, so I like it to be very functional. And over here by my stove, as usual, this was the same thing I had last year. I bought this pumpkin bowl from Ross last year, I believe. So I used it in my last year fall decor, and I'm just using it again. I just place it here. I don't use it for anything else. It's just for decoration, really. And I am using this same kitchen towel as last year. Now over here in this corner, this very deep corner, this is what I have this year. I just kept most of my stuff. I just added that thankful sign. And this is just so cute. I had this last year as well, and it has that leather trim in the middle. So gorgeous, and it ties in with the browns. And I just added that one pumpkin on there that I also had. Now, these lights up there, I wanted to show you. These are from Amazon, and I have them all under my cabinets because my cabinets are so deep. They are sensor. You can set the sensor on so that when you move, they would come on, or you can just turn them off permanent. It's so good. I will link them below. Now let's move on to the dining room. I bought this nice set of napkins. This is a set of 12 napkins, and let me tell you, the color match so perfectly. I got them from Home Goods, and it was such a good one. Here goes my centerpiece, and it would always make a statement. It is so beautiful, and I made sure I bought this off season last year, so I paid a little bit for it, not a whole lot, and it is giving. You don't even need to do too much on it, and it just gets the job done, baby. And you guys, this is just what I did. I just, alternated my napkins between the plain one and the design. And this plain one is so beautiful. I actually love it a whole lot. So yeah, that is what I did out here. I also got this candlestick, this candle holders from Ross last year. And y'all, can you see the price? $2.49. It was such a steal. Now this right here is the placemats up close. It says gather, and it has all the leaf design on it. It's from Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was like $2 something. And now, let me tell you, it's so gorgeous. So I just have them on both ends of the table, because my chairs on those sides are different. So it just looks so perfect. And this is just the decor, the same charger plates and some dinner plates and some napkins. And y'all, with that centerpiece in there, it just looks so beautiful and well put together. Now over here, this is my entryway table, and I kept it so minimal. The only thing I changed was to add that orange pumpkin that I got from Home Goods. It's just a small pumpkin, and the texture is just so beautiful. And I also added those 3 little white pumpkins on top of that brown dish. And for the living room, I'm not doing much, okay? As you can see, I have some pumpkins down there and some pumpkins right here. These are all stuff that I had last year. I didn't buy any of them. These are all stuff from last year. So I'll give you a close up to see, so you guys can see what I'm working with. But if you have not noticed, let me show you the color for this year. My color for fall this year is this beautiful burnt orange. You guys, can you see this? This is actually so beautiful. And I found these at Home Goods. This size was $9.99, and it's absolutely beautiful. It is so good. So I got 2 of the same sizes. I believe this is like a medium size, because I also bought the small size, and I saw an even bigger size in store. So I want to play with these. I'm going to put these on those 2 shelves out there. So let's see how it looks like, okay? And that looks really good. And I also had these 2 pumpkins from last year. No, this was not from last year. This was from 2 years ago. If I can get it to focus. Focus, baby. Yeah. Okay, so these pumpkins were from 2 years ago, I believe. You got to be 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm also going to be using these because these are just the neutral colors in my house. So it would blend in effortlessly. So I'm going to just put that in those 2 corners out there. And I think that would be all that I'm putting on the shelf, okay? These I am not changing. These are actually candle holders, I believe. Yeah, I got these from Home Goods, but I just like the way they are sitting on my shelf. So I'm just going to leave them there. I'm not going to change anything else on the shelf. So the shelves, they're done the way they are. Now for this brown vase, I feel like putting these 2 branches that I've had for a long time. And these were fall decor from Hobby Lobby maybe 2-3 years ago, because I don't have anything to put there and I don't want to leave it empty. So I'm just going to use this. It's just 2. I feel like it's not enough. If I get to find anything else and add to it, I will show you guys. I will take a clip and show you guys. But for now, this is what I got. So that's what I want to put in there. So again, you don't always have to have new things. Work with the ones you have, really. Work with what you have and see how you can make it better, okay? I'm just going to play around with it and see how I can make it look good. Let's back it up a little bit. So I always do that. I back it up and I see if I like it. And I think it's okay like that. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave that as is. And you guys see the pumpkins on the bottom. And that is it. So these 2 pillows I've always had. And it had a lumbar pillow there. So I took that out. So I'm just going to replace it with this one. I got this from Home Goods. And it was $16.99, and it's just this perfect shade of orange that I like so much, the shade that I'm working with this year, and it just looks so good. It's this really nice burnt orange, so good. So that's all. I'm gonna put that on each of the couches and just see how I'm gonna style it. I didn't take out the tags because I was not sure. I want to play around with it until I'm sure. Okay, so let's do that. And since this is a feather pillow, I can actually style it up. Yeah, that does look a lot better. So yeah, so just play with what you have. Okay, this is one of the few things I got this year because, like I said, I didn't feel like buying anything. I was just going to use what I had, but I'm glad this works so well because I did like a preview and my sister was like, oh yeah, this looks so good. And then when you get to see it, you know, in perspective with the pillow, that burnt orange, and then you have the vase with the brown stems, and you have the orange pumpkin and the brown pumpkin on top. It just ties in together with all the light colors that we got going on. I'm loving it. Now, the only thing I'm missing is a throw pillow. A throw blanket. I am looking for a throw blanket in this color, and y'all, I hope I can find it today. If I do, I will add it right there. This is right where I want it on this bigger couch because I feel like it would tie everything in together. Now, I would not leave that here because my kids are so horrible when it comes to pillows and throws. They will use it to put their Barbies and drag them all over the house. So I want that. If I have that, I would probably have to hide it in one of these baskets. I know. You just have to be practical and pick your battles wisely with these kids if you want your stuff to last, or you are just not going to be happy with yourself. So I am going to definitely try to find a throw blanket. I really want that. I feel like it would tie the look really good. But over here, I just have these two accent chairs that I used to love one time, but now I have grown so much out of it. I do not want them in my space anymore. They don't tie in with anything that I have, but I'm not going to get rid of it until I find something that I like. And I don't want to rush into something else. I am thinking of either a gray, because the colors here are like gray, light brown. That's about it. Yeah. And even my carpet is like gray, ivory, and tan. So I think a darker gray or a medium dark gray will look really good. So I really want to sell these. These are from Ashley, and they're still in excellent shape because we don't really even sit on them. So I didn't really do anything here except for this thankful sign that I've always had for a long time. This is all I have. And sorry again if you hear the noise. I'm not sure if my microphone is picking it up because it is pretty sensitive. It picks up every little noise out there. So this is the only thing I just put down here because, kids, accessibility and all of that. I don't want to put too much. And I just have a candle sitting there that I don't light. If I need to light it, I just, put it in a safer place. So just remember that. If you got kids, you got to be more practical when you decorate, okay? And I know you guys can see those stems over there, but don't worry, I'm coming there. Let me just put the second pillow right here. Y'all, when I tell you that I thought about this in my head and played it out real good, I didn't even have to struggle, okay? I played out the colors really good, and it just tied in together so perfectly. Can you peek that? The two pillows just complement each other against the lighter background so good. And then the last thing I did was to add those stems over there. So let's go there. Now, you guys gotta believe me when I tell you that you need that one thing that's gonna be like your focal point when you're decorating, and you decorate every other thing around that one particular thing. It could be like an artwork, it could be like a plant. And for me, it was this. This right here was it. Y'all, let me tell you, this looks so good. Let me bring one of these out. Of course, it's from Hobby Lobby. It is really long because this is a floor vase and it's so tall. Okay, can you see me? This is how tall this is. It is so tall, but it's so good. It is so beautiful. I love it. It is a full pampas grass. I don't do the real pampas grass because I got kids that got really bad allergies, and I got really serious allergies myself, so I don't do the real one. This right here is the closest to it and does not shed. Like, even I don't even like fake pampas grass that shed. So this right here It's so perfect because it does not shed at all, and it's so beautiful. It's so long. It's so long that I had to kind of bend it a little bit, like a couple of inches, just so it would look nice. And I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stems in here. They are so good. Wow, look at that. Oh, y'all, this place, I always leave it like this because this is like, this space never changes. All I do is switch out the stem. So I have this same exact stem in like a lighter brown shade. That's like my all year round decor for this space. I don't take it out. I'm thinking maybe to put something else here, but I don't think I need it because it's so close to my smaller dining, and I don't want to obstruct any movement here. I like the space to be light and airy. So I think this works so perfect. And when I tell you it ties in with the pillow, first of all, let me bring the pillow closer. Can you see that? Can you see the pillow and the stems? Perfect, like perfect match. And they were from different stores. But you know, guys, know your girl got the eye for it. Like I got the eye for it. Once I saw it, I was like, yes, baby, this will work so well with what I already have. So that was why I went with the pillow. So yeah, I am very happy with how things turned out. And this is just another angle that lets you see how everything just ties in together. On this side, I got the branches, the faux pampas grass. And on this side, I got the, what's it called, the pillow, and then the pumpkins, and it just ties together. And on the other side, I'm looking straight up at my dining, one big space, colors matching. Over there I see the kitchen. Everything just ties in together. So that is the whole point of home decoration, really. Just make it yours. Just let it make sense in your head, okay? If it makes sense in my head, I'm going for it, okay, girl? And on that note, I think this is a safe place to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's minimal to me. And I'm glad that I was able to do everything together. The kitchen, the dining, and the living room, you know, all the common areas, because they're all in one big space. And show you guys. Let me know what you think down below. Do you think I should keep the pillows because they match perfectly? What would you add? What would you take out? Let me know. I'm just curious to see what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Until I come again next time, y'all stay safe. And what, stay cozy. It's getting to that time of the year where we gotta say stay warm. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.